Hello, everyone, and welcome to this presentation on building an analysis solution using Power BI. My name is Edwin Chofong, and today I will be walking you through how I implement the Kenyan sales dimensional model in Power BI, generated key business visualizations, and build a fully functional calendar table using DAX feature in Power BI. This project demonstrates how data modeling and analytics can support stronger data-driven decision-making across an organization. Moving on to slide number 2, um, here is a quick overview of what we will be covering. First, I will briefly revisit the Canyon sales dimensional model and how it was loaded into Power BI. Next, I will walk you through 4-bar chart visualization that highlights trends in product performance, regional activity, and vendor contributions. After that, I will discuss the DAX-driven calendar table, which supports advanced time intelligence. And finally, I will summarize the key insights and how they inform strategic business planning. Moving on to the third slide, let's begin with the unit sold by product. In this figure, we see that Cozy Socks is our top performing item with 12 units sold. Easy Boot, on the other hand, and Tiny 10 also perform well, each showing around 7 units. And on the other end of the spectrum, Biggie 10 only sold 2 units, indicating a potential issue in either product visibility or pricing or customer demand. This kind of product level insight helps managers identify high value items and pinpoint products that may require marketing or inventory adjustments. Let's move on to the next slide, which is slide 4. In this slide, we are looking at the units sold by store region. The results are fairly balanced between the Chicagoland and tri-state regions. Chicagoland leads slightly with about 22 units sold, while tri-state follows with approximately 20 units sold. This tells us that store performance across regions is relatively consistent with no major disparities. Balanced performance like this is typically a good sign, indicating stable customer interest across locations. We moved on to our fifth slide, where we take the regional analysis a step further by incorporating vendor data into a stacked bar chart. In the Chicagoland region, the majority of sales come from Mountain King, which accounts for about 18 units, while Pacific Gear contributes around 4 units. In the tri-state region, vendor performance is more evenly distributed, with Mountain King providing about 4 units and Pacific Gear around 6 units. This breakdown helps identify vendor strengths by region and highlights opportunities for more targeted vendor partnerships or marketing strategies. Moving on to slide 6, let's have an overview of the calendar table. To support more advanced reporting and time-based analysis, I did create a calendar table in Power BI using its DAX feature. This table spans from January 1st, 2023 through December 31st, 2024. It includes important date attributes such as year, quarter, month, day, and numeric fields like month number and week number. It also provides weekday names, weekday numbers, and a workday flag, which identifies whether a date falls on a business day. Having a well-structured calendar table is essential for time intelligence functions like year-over-year comparisons, weekly trends, or workday-based analysis. Okay, let's move on to slide number 7, which contains the screenshot of the calendar table. And here's a screenshot of the actual calendar table in Power BI. You can see the full set of calculated fields, including quarter, month number, week number, and a workday flag. This table enables flexible slicing of the sales data, allowing managers to analyze performance by week, month, quarter, or year, and even filter based on weekdays versus weekends. In conclusion, the Power BI implementation of the Kenyan sales model showcases the value of combining dimensional modeling with modern analytics. The visualization provides quick insight into top-selling products, regional activity, and vendor contributions, while the DAX-driven calendar table enhances the model with powerful time intelligence capabilities. Together, these components form a scalable business intelligence solution that support data-driven decision-making, particularly in merchandising, inventory management, and regional market planning. Thank you for watching, and I hope this presentation gives a clear understanding of how Power BI can transform raw data into actionable insights. Have a good evening. Bye.